Magandang Friday sa ating lahat. So guys, I'm going to share with you my basic daily routine exercises at home. And this is called lunges. This is good for legs and balakang as well, guys. Try this. It helps. So ngayon, wala pa tayong budget bumili ng dumbbell or kettlebell, kung anong bell yan. For lifting weights, ito muna ang guys, bucket ng pintura 2.5 liters. Nakakatulong naman to. Oy, mabigat din to guys ha. Diba? Good for legs. Full body workout. Try these exercises at home. So I'm lifting some weights of paint, guys, with 2.5 liters, and this exercise is called Russian twist. Gawin mo to every day, guys. Pangpalit ito ng bewang and legs and abs. And another favorite, my exercises at home, it's called commandos. This is good for strength and